Welcome to this introduction to machine learning. In this video, we'll be exploring the basics of machine learning, including what it is, how it works, and its real-world applications. At its core, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This is done by feeding the computer large amounts of data, which it uses to identify patterns and make predictions based on new data. One of the main benefits of machine learning is its ability to make accurate predictions. By analyzing data, machine learning algorithms can make predictions with incredible accuracy, sometimes even outperforming humans. This makes machine learning an important tool in many industries, from manufacturing and robotics to healthcare and finance. For example, in healthcare, machine learning is used to identify patterns in medical data, helping doctors to diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. In the fitness industry, machine learning is used to track user activity and provide personalized recommendations for workouts and nutrition. In the e-commerce industry, machine learning is used to analyze customer data and provide personalized recommendations, leading to higher sales and increased customer satisfaction. Digital assistants like Siri and Alexa also use machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to user requests, making them more accurate and helpful over time. There are many different types of machine learning models, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data, where the correct answers are known ahead of time. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, involves training a model on unlabeled data, where the correct answers are not known. Reinforcement learning involves training a model through trial and error, where the model receives rewards or penalties based on its actions. Regardless of the type of machine learning used, it is important to carefully select and pre-process data to ensure accurate results. It is also important to select the right algorithms and hyperparameters for your specific problem. Thanks for watching this introduction to machine learning. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what machine learning is and how it is used in the real world. If you're interested in learning more about machine learning, be sure to check out our other videos and resources.